Another example of covalent bond is oxygen molecule. The formation of oxygen molecule. The chemical formula of oxygen molecule is O2. This oxygen molecule is formed by two atoms of oxygen. Now let us discuss how the oxygen molecule form. The symbol of oxygen is what? Capital O. The electronic configuration of oxygen is 2, 6. In outermost orbital, 6 valence electrons there. To get octet configuration in outermost orbital, this oxygen requires 2 more electrons. For that purpose, this oxygen share 2 electrons with other atom of oxygen. This oxygen atom share 2 electrons with other atom of oxygen to get octet configuration in outermost orbital. Okay, here 2 pairs of electrons are shared between 2 atoms of oxygen. That's why it is example of double covalent bond. The oxygen molecule is example of double covalent bond. Now see the diagrams of oxygen molecule. Okay. Oxygen, 2 oxygen atom symbol I written here. I placed 6 valence electrons here and here. Okay, these 2 electrons are here, 2 electrons and here 2 electrons. Total 4 electrons are shared between 2 atoms of oxygens. 4 electrons are 2 pairs of electrons are shared between 2 atoms of oxygen to form a oxygen molecule, and it's get octet configuration in outermost orbital. See here, 2 pairs of electrons are shared between 2 atoms of oxygen. Okay, 2, total 4, and these 2 pairs, total 8 electrons. This oxygen getting octet configuration. Here also same, here 4 electrons and these sharing electrons are 4, total 8 electrons. These 2 atoms are getting octet configuration in outermost orbital, and these 2 atoms form a oxygen molecule. This is oxygen molecule Lewis dot structure. In another way we can keep here like this also we can represent oxygen molecule structure. I placed here 2 dashes. Here 2 line segments indicate 2 electron pairs are sharing between 2 atoms of oxygens. 2 lines are indicating 2 pairs of electrons are sharing between 2 atoms of oxygens. Here 4 electrons, 4, total 8. Here the sharing electrons are 4. 2 pairs means 4 electrons, right? 4 electrons, this 4 electrons, total 8. Octet configuration, and it is the oxygen molecule structure. In another way, each atom is represented by circle. Here one oxygen and this is another oxygen. I placed valence electrons as it is. Okay, like previously I placed valence electrons. Okay, these 2 electrons and these 2 electrons are sharing between 2 atoms of oxygens to form a oxygen molecule. See, this is common area of oxygen molecule. In the oxygen molecule, this is common area of 2 atoms of oxygen. In this common area place the sharing atoms. Place the sharing electrons. In this common area, place the sharing electrons. How many electrons are sharing between 2 atoms of oxygen? 4 electrons. I placed that 4 electrons here. Okay. Now count the electrons. 2, here 4, 6, here 2, total 8. This oxygen atom getting 8 electrons in valence shell, means octet configuration. Another oxygen 2, 2, 4, and this 4 electrons, total 8 electrons. Each oxygen getting octet configuration in outermost orbital, and it is giving oxygen molecule.